Hey guys, in just 1 second, I'm going to show you how I changed my setup. So this is the blend mount with the Uniden R7. It was okay for the time being, except I was having issues with the bolts not staying put, even though I had it very tightly torqued and it would fall down. I'll show you that in a moment. I'm not saying that's going to happen for everyone, but for me, it was quite annoying, as well as I did not like the radar detector so low. It seemed to be really sticking out and the potential for theft and for police to see it. So let's take a look at this install video. All right, so I'm installing the Uniden R7 radar detector in my 2016 Ford F-150. I have the, let me get some light up there. I have the double cup mount that came with the thing. And on the other side, I have Gorilla mounting tape, the super strong stuff. I used some masking tape while I was holding up the radar detector on the mount. That kind of gave me a guideline of left and right where I wanted it. I was not able to easily get the tape underneath the radar detector when I was doing it, just because of the angles and whatnot. However, just a top tip, at least on the Ford here, I counted to make sure it was level. I couldn't get a level in here either on the radar detector. I counted the matrix dots, so made sure that the top of the thing was just under the fourth one from left to right. That ensured that it was in fact even and level. So I feel good about that. Also to note, this rubber nub does come out, and I had it on the wrong way. I had the nub, so you need the flat side facing the glass, so it is in fact flat. That was preventing me from doing it. So I just took the mount off, got the nub where it's supposed to be. That I guess that lets the radar detector slide in. The front kind of rests on there or something. I did get the black tape as well, so I want it to be a little more stealthy. So I also undid my blend mount because I'm getting rid of that, and I just have this wire tap on the back. Just another thing to note, I did use rubbing alcohol. I previously cleaned the window with just some invisible glass, used rubbing alcohol on the other side of this mount before I put the tape on it, as well as on the actual mount. You basically want as clean as possible. And it is winter here, so I'm going to let this set up. I know this is, I'll show you real quick what it looks like when it's mounted. So I do have it as high really as possible. I'll turn this light off. I just have a headlamp on right now. So it's really as high as, it probably could have gone up a tad, but for now I think that's good. It does allow me barely to get my fingers up here, which is probably a good thing. So I could do the menu down plus, I think hold down for power, so that's probably a good thing, not to get too greedy. And it is shielded by the dot matrix, so I'm gonna go outside and we'll see what it looks like. I'll just put this at a normal position for now. So if I go in the front, can't really see. I know the lighting's not great, but even from the side, yeah, I guess you can kind of see it. But much higher, it's not hanging below. And from right here as well, let's say I get pulled over by the cops. So I do have the, assuming I'm in blacked out mode, that's what it would be, that's what it would look like. So again, I'm gonna take that off just to give the mount some more time to cure, if you will, against the window. And yeah, I can easily get my finger up there. But I suppose, let me just make sure the mount's, yeah, that's not going anywhere. This Gorilla tape is crazy. So I'll put the detector up, I'll plug it in, So yeah, I got it plugged in. I'll stand right here. This is me looking straight ahead. It is as level. I'm pretty sure it's pretty damn level. I do have full functionality. It clears the radar by, I don't know, an inch. So I could have gone a little bit more left, but I figured the farther left that I went, it was maybe a little more visible from that side. This is still a really good position. All right, this is still a really good position for me.
Menu.
As you can see here.
Highway, city, advanced.
Whatever. All I got left is I'm gonna zip tie, one more zip tie to the mirror tap, and I think I'm looking pretty good. If you have any tips on this, let me know. Or if anyone needs a blend mount, hit me up.
Yeah, so in total, I think this probably took me maybe an hour and a half. I just was really careful in making sure that my cuts on the tape were good, that I really wanted to make sure it was a one-time shot to line it up properly. So I just took my time. Like I said, I counted the dots, tested it, and that's about it. So tomorrow will be the true testing day, but it's looking good. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know down in the comments. Thanks, guys.